tao each problem no kay nakasaad ra ta mag-solve gyud ta no. Karon nag-solve na ta then ang each problem, ang problem mao niyo. A mother is 3 times as old as her child. After 10 years, the mother will be twice as old as the child. So what are their current ages? Alright, ito na solve. Problem, mother is three times as old as her child. After 10 years, the mother will be twice as old as the child. So what are their current ages? Now, klaro kayo nga ang first statement niya is a mother is 3 times as old as her child. And the second statement, after 10 years, the mother will be twice as old as the child. So let us solve. Alright to. Ato solve. Alright. From the first statement, this is the first statement. From the first statement, a mother is 3 times as old as her child. So, atong i-apply ang step 1, define variables. Pag we define variables, let us define first the current age of the child and the second, the current age of the mother. So now, let us denote this is mother M, no? M, tapos M, mother, then child C. Alright? So, ang ato ang defined variables, no? Ang assigned variables nato is M at C. So, si M, mao ni ang current, no? Age ni mother. Then, si current age ni child. Alright, no? Now, a mother, so lagay. Dito. So, ato i-apply, mag-set up tag equation. I-set up sa equation, a mother is 3 times as old as her child. Mother is equal 3 times as old as the child. 3 times as old as the child. So, naatay from the equation 1, no? From the statement number 1, ang atong na-create nga equation, na-set up na equation is M is equal to 3C. So, mauna ang ato ang equation 1. Now, there is a equation 2. Is a statement number 2, sorry. After 10 years, the mother will be twice as old as the child. Now, karon, after 10 years, di ba, ang ingon nato, mag-amping yun sa phrase nga, after 10 years, in years, mag-positive yun ka. Pero years ago, mag-negative ka. Alright, pero diri, after 10 years, mag-plus, di ba, mag-plus ta, plus 10, After 10 years, the mother, so referring to mother, M, di ba? M plus 10. So, after 10 years, the mother will be equal twice. So, twice as old. Twice as old as the child at 10 years. So, twice as old in 10 years. In 10 years, twice as old as the child, meaning to say is plus 10, referring to the child. So therefore, ang atong na-create nga equation sa statement number 1, so M, M equals, M plus 10 equals 2C 2 times C plus 10. So, mauni ato ang equation number 2. So, lakdod pagka-istorya, naan na tayo nakuha nga equation sa statement number 1 and statement number 2. So, wala na ilain kay diretso na sa pangutada nga what are the current ages. At least nakuha na nato ang equation. Now, okay. I-rewrite na to. Ang equation number 1, sa equation number 1 na to. Equation number 1 na to is M is equal to 3C. Alright? 3C. Ang equation number 2 na to, equation number 2, ito. Equation number 2 is M plus 10 is equal to 2 times C plus 10. So, mao na ito equation number 2. So, karon i-substitute na to ang value ni M. There is a equation number 2. Alright. Okay. Kung ato ang equation number, alright, is, ato siya ni-simplify daan. Okay, para mas madali. M plus 10, i-distribute lang na siya. So, 2 times C is 2C, 2 times 10 is 20. Alright. So, mauna ni ang ato ang equation 3. Pero, equation 3. Pero ato ang rearranging gives M 20 minus 10 is 10, di ba? So, is equal to M, 2C, 20 minus 10, 20 minus 10 is 10, plus 10. So, therefore, nakuha na to, M is equal to 2C plus 10. So, substitute na to ang value. What is our M here? What is our M? Ang M na to, substitute ang katong value ato equation na to, equation number 1, M is equal to 3C, atong i-substitute diri ang 3C. 3C is equal to 2C plus 10. Alright? So, divide. Subtract both sides. 2C. I-subtract mo both sides 2C. So, 2C. Kuha na itong 2C. So, 3C minus 2C is C. Di ba? Is equal to 2C, positive 2C, minus 2C, 0, plus 10. So, is equal to 10. So, therefore, ang edad ni child is 10. Di ba? Now, ang nanay na nakuha na nato ang edad ni child. Mga na, ang edad ni child is 10. Current age ni child is 10. Karon, ang kulang na lang ang edad ni mother. Karon, balik ta sa equation number 1. Ang equation number 1 nato is M is equal to 3C. So, naa na tay value sa C. Di ba? Pilay value sa C? 10. So, M is equal to 3 times 10 is equal to 30. So, but pasabot, ang edad ni mother is 30, ang current age. So, ang current age ni mother is 30. Ang current age naman ni child is 10. Alright, current age. Ang current nila, ang current age ni mother is 30. Then ni child is 10. Karon, maura na yung gipangutana. Pero kung after 10 years, what if kung after 10 years, pilay edad ni mother? After 10 years, pilay edad ni mother? Ang edad ni mother are 10 years, mag-add lang kag 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. Tapos si child naman, after 10 years, kung 10 siya karon, mag-add kag 10 is 20. Na. Pero ang pangutana ramanggod sa problem is what are, klaro kayo, what are, kani ba? What are their current ages? So, maura to si mother is 30, si child is 10. Lang. Ano age problem? Alright? Okay.